19 tribunals that have been designated to do the exercise, they seem to be working at their own pace, lax approach. All of this is going to be taken up by the Supreme Court today. But where does the adjudication really happen? Where does the appeal happen if these 19 are not even functional?
Article 324 and also Section 21(3) of the Representation of People's Act, gives certain powers and responsibilities to the Election Commission. Now, Election Commission is an independent authority, and their role is to conduct a free and fair election. They have to ensure that none of the voters are excluded if they have valid reason to vote. Now, considering these aspects, yes, their also role and responsibilities are that they should conduct a proper SIR by which any sort of fraudulent voter, or maybe the voters who have shifted to some other place, some of them who have died, or maybe some additional voters have come up to the state, for their profession, for their working, and they are now staying. Earlier they were not staying. So all this electoral roll has to be prepared by the Election Commission in a very much transparent, free and fair manner. Now we see that here the Supreme Court had ordered for establishing around 19 adjudicating or maybe the appellate tribunals to see that there should not be any unfair practice being conducted by the officials of the Election Commission. And if anybody has grievance, they should go to this tribunal where they can submit their appropriate and proper documentation to prove that their name has been deleted wrongfully, and if added wrongfully, to show that how it has been wrongfully added. Now, the issue here is what I feel, that all these exercise should have been done in such a way that it should have been completed much before, the time.
So but Aashutosh, that is the moot question. Should have been done in a certain way. But with the nomination deadline closing today, Swapnil, this point that you were earlier making, do you think